Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of MLG, an innovative company known for turning shipping containers into extraordinary living spaces. Their approach combines creativity and functionality to create modern, eco-friendly homes. In this particular project, we're starting with a spacious ground floor layout, where the concrete has already been poured, and a steel structure to support the weight of 2 full-size shipping containers that will be placed above. Once the ground floor is set, we move on to the exciting part, placing 2 shipping containers on top. These stacked containers will form the upper level, creating a sleek and modern multi-level home that's both sturdy and stylish. Shipping container homes require precise alignment and cutting to make sure everything fits perfectly. MLG's expert team leaves no stone unturned, ensuring the containers are structurally sound and aesthetically pleasing. Before the transformation begins, every shipping container is thoroughly examined for rust, holes, and any structural damage. This crucial step ensures the integrity and safety of the entire build. First up, the original container doors are carefully cut off, making way for a more functional design. But that's just the beginning. Precise openings are then cut into the container walls to make room for modern doors and windows, transforming the industrial structure into a bright, welcoming home. The next crucial step is reinforcing those cuts. Strong steel frames are welded around each opening, beefing up the container's overall strength. These steel frames are more than just a finishing touch. They're essential to support the structure, ensuring the container maintains its integrity even after the modifications. After the containers are perfectly aligned, welding secures the corners and sides where they touch, creating a strong bond between them. But that's not all. MLG takes reinforcement a step further. Heavy-duty steel bolts are added to fasten the containers together, ensuring maximum strength and stability. These bolts work in tandem with the welds, creating a rock-solid connection that guarantees your container home will remain secure, no matter the conditions. With the containers now welded and bolted together, the next step is reinforcing those joints for maximum strength. Heavy-duty steel plates are carefully added to ensure the structure's durability. Once the structure is fully reinforced, attention turns to weatherproofing. Every gap between the containers is sealed with precision to prevent water from creeping in over time, ensuring your home stays dry and protected. And finally, the containers are given a fresh coat of paint. Not only does this give the home a sleek, finished look, but it also adds an extra layer of protection against rust and corrosion. With the exterior sealed and the containers freshly painted, it's time to focus on the finer details. Next up, the window and door surrounds are given a precise coat of paint, preparing them for the installation of glass. Each window is meticulously positioned into the pre-cut openings, ensuring a perfect fit. High-quality insulation is added around the frames to prevent drafts and enhance energy efficiency. Now, in this particular build, we're elevating the design by adding a spacious terrace with sleek glass siding for a more modern look. This addition not only expands the living area but also infuses the finished product with a fresh, contemporary vibe. Moving on to the interior, we begin by enhancing comfort and energy efficiency. It's time to install fiberglass bats for insulation. This essential step ensures that the home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer, providing a comfortable living environment all year round. Fiberglass bats are carefully measured and cut to fit precisely within the wall cavities. They are placed snugly between the studs, ensuring there are no gaps that could lead to drafts or heat loss. It's time to bring the interior to life. Next, we install gypsum drywall panels over the insulation, creating smooth, solid walls. Each drywall panel is carefully measured and cut to fit perfectly within the space. The panels are then securely fastened to the framing studs with drywall screws. Once all the panels are up, we apply joint tape over the gaps between panels to reinforce the joints and prevent cracks. A layer of joint compound is then spread over the tape and screw holes. This compound fills in any imperfections. Next, the electricians and plumbers get to work, carefully installing the wiring that will power the entire house, after which we can begin to prime the walls for paint. In this particular build, the clients wanted to make a bold statement, a stunning concrete table to serve as the centerpiece of their living space. The creation of this impressive piece begins with crafting a custom mold to achieve the desired shape and size. High-quality concrete is carefully mixed and poured, ensuring a flawless finish. The team pays close attention to eliminate air bubbles and imperfections, resulting in a smooth, solid slab. Next up, it's time to give the ceilings a fresh and healthy finish. A high-quality latex paint is applied to the ceilings, chosen specifically for its positive impact on air quality and ease of cleaning. Next, the team moves on to prepping the walls for paint. The team begins by filling any small holes, cracks, or dents in the drywall. Using high-quality joint compound and putty knives, they meticulously cover every imperfection. After the compound dries, the next step is sanding. Using fine grit sandpaper, the team gently sands the patched areas and the entire wall surface. This not only smooths out the filled spots, but also removes any rough textures or leftover debris. With the walls expertly prepped, they're now ready for priming and painting. With the paint on the walls, we can see the build coming together beautifully. The transformation is nothing short of spectacular. The once bare containers now feel like a warm and inviting home. But we're not done yet. Insulating the floor is a critical aspect of any build, and in this project, we're using T-Max XPS insulation to ensure maximum comfort and efficiency. This foam is a high-performance insulation material known for its excellent thermal properties and moisture resistance. Its rigid structure makes it ideal for flooring applications, providing a durable and energy-efficient solution. Once cut to size, the insulation panels are laid down and securely fastened. This not only keeps the insulation in place, but also provides a stable base for the flooring that will go on top. It's time to add elegance and durability underfoot. Parquet flooring has been selected and installed, bringing a touch of sophistication to the home's interior. However, did you know the flooring is brought into the home and allowed to rest for 48 hours? This acclimation period is essential to prevent unnecessary expanding or contracting once the flooring is in place. Finally, with all the structural elements in place and the finishing touches applied, it's time to bring this shipping container to life. Light fittings, furniture, and accessories are brought in, transforming the space into a warm and inviting haven ready to be enjoyed for many years to come. Skilled electricians install stylish light fixtures throughout the home. From sleek recessed lighting to elegant pendant lamps, each fixture is carefully chosen to complement the home's modern aesthetic while providing optimal illumination. Next, the furniture arrives. Each piece is selected not only for its comfort and style, but also to maximize space within the unique dimensions of the container home. Open-plan living areas are adorned with cozy sofas and multifunctional furniture, enhancing both functionality and flow. The transformation is complete. What was once a series of steel containers is now a stunning, functional home that seamlessly blends industrial chic with modern comfort. Every detail has been thoughtfully considered, resulting in a space that's not only beautiful, but also sustainable and efficient. Whether you're dreaming of a minimalist retreat an eco-friendly abode, or a cutting-edge architectural masterpiece, shipping containers offer a versatile and cost-effective starting point. Why wait to make your vision a reality? Thank you for joining us on this incredible transformation. If you're inspired and ready to start your own project, visit MLG to learn how they can help turn your dream into a stunning reality.